Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change shipping weight measurement unit in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in product page and then you see shipping weight in kg. So we are going to change it. Now go to setting. So we are in setting and then you see multiple option and then you see language and region. So click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see format preview. You see multiple option again and then you see regional format. Choose a region to set how date, number and measurement appear on your site. So our region is Pakistan. So that's why I show kg. Now select. So basically measurement unit depend on your region. So our region is Pakistan. Now select. So we are going to change it to United States and then you see English United States. So click on it and then you see format preview, change number, currency, measurement unit in pound. So click on save changes and then you see your changes were saved. So we change measurement unit weight kg into pound. Now go to product page, you see kg. Now refresh the page. So default kilogram for Pakistan region, but we change regional format to United States. Now scroll down and then you see shipping weight change to pound. So basically shipping weight measurement unit depend on country region. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.